Well, the reason I like failures, not that I do like them, but failures sometimes lead to the right way to do things. So I thought I'd come over here and try another try. Let's see, boy, that doesn't leave much there in the way of, doesn't leave much in the way here in this area here. So what I'm going to try to do is get that Dremel tool and see if I can grind that down. And I don't have very little here. That's because this vise has been moving around. I mean, that's okay. It doesn't matter if this thing craters. Going to give me an idea for another way to do this. Definitely going to be using some JB Weld. Yeah, some guy told me that the pencil needs to stay. Got to break that lead off. Pencil needs to stay straight, not turning. So, got a little bit more to do here. Thin. Just a little bit more. Well, I'm afraid to take any more off, but I do have to get a little. Starting to rain. Okay, well, we're almost there. Okay, it's not raining out there in the shop anymore. Rains in my shop when it rains. Okay, this is just one of those real quick R&D procedures. Let's see what we got now. By golly, it's working. Can't do much about the shoulder there, but I do have a great point on this thing, and it is grinding the shoulder down so that the pencil can move in. And you can see, let's see if I can get a good picture. There we go. See, we're starting to get a good point. Okay, before we go build something, we got to sharpen our pencil. Okay, you all time me. This is gonna be real time. One thing I'm for sure going to have to do, I'm going to have to be a larger crank on this thing. Okay, you got it timed, got a sharp point on it. Needs to have an electric motor on it or something. Turn that thing a little faster, but by golly, it does work. Well, I'll be darned. I'm surprised myself. Well, even though it works, I did one thing wrong. I threw away the cover because I thought for sure I was going to scrap this thing out. I almost did yesterday. I almost just took it apart and threw it away, but I slept on it last night till somebody brought up about the pencil shouldn't turn. So anyway, well, it's working. It's not working real well, but by golly, it is working. A few little modifications here and there, we'll have it ready. And then I won't have to hunt around for my utility knife to sharpen my blade. And then once I get the handle, I'm going to glue it on. You know, put a screw in there with JB weld and all that good stuff. And then we'll have a pretty good sharpener. Alrighty. Well, appreciate you watching. But the one thing I got to do, I've got to go empty that big old trash can, and it's full because I've been throwing a lot of stuff out to look for this cover. Oh man, I don't know which is worse, drilling this thing out or fixing to go dump that trash out. Oh, I got to see this hot dog. I found it. Let's see, it's got to go the other way. Yeah, there we go. That should help kind of control the thing, the pencil from bouncing around. Of course, I got to figure out a way to drill that hole to 5/8. But I'm sure I'll figure out some way to do it. By golly, failure turned into success. These step drills are absolutely wonderful for drilling this real thin metal. Well, really, for that matter, any metal. Because this one goes from 1/4 inch all the way up to 3/4. And the nice thing about it, like the 9/16 shoulder is going to be guiding it in through here because I need to go 5/8. Well, 9/16. Alright, let's try that one. Hot dog. Yeah, that should hold it straight now. So that way it'll go in, hold it straight, get a good sharp point on there. Alrighty, by golly, failure is still evolving into a major success. Okay, I'm going with this JB Quick. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Equal amounts. There we go. Yep. Alrighty. All we do now is wait.